Hey guys, welcome back to Cocktails for Quarantines. Today we're going to make a Boulavardier. Boulavardier is a very simple drink. It's a Campari drink with sweet vermouth and a whiskey, either bourbon or rye. If you like Negronis, if you like Campari, this is a great drink. If you're looking for something for before a meal or by yourself on a patio at night trying to figure out what your friends are doing during quarantine, try this one out. Today we're going to use Old Granddad Bonded 100, lovely whiskey. We got our Campari here and our sweet vermouth. Please keep your vermouths in the refrigerator. They're a wine product and they can they lose their taste if they stay at room temperature for a long time. I used to keep mine in the liquor cabinet, and after I started keeping it in the refrigerator, they always keep their fresh. It's a better taste. So here we go. We'll just get started with 1.5 ounces of our whiskey, and then just 1 ounce each of the Campari and the sweet vermouth. Super easy recipe to remember. 1.5 ounces of whiskey, and then 1 ounce of sweet vermouth and 1 ounce of Campari. Cover that with ice, and then we'll stir for 20 to 30 seconds. Make sure it's nice and chilled. And we'll put a big ice cube in our rocks glass to enjoy this one with, and a orange peel garnish. Really helps to bring out the fruit notes in the Campari in the glass. We'll make a little decoration. You can just throw your orange peel in the glass if you want. Today we're gonna do a little mount here on the side. Give it a little flair. Throw a large cube in here, and then strain in your glass. And there's your Boulavardier. Enjoy.